Hello, I'm Alan McIlroy and I'm here to talk about Solaris Yachts. We currently offer a range of strikingly good looking performance cruisers from 40 through to 80 feet. Solaris Sail has certainly found an enthusiastic following in the UK, with clients loving the sharp, modern hull lines, the great performance from Soto, together with the crisp and effective build quality. The brand continues to go from strength to strength here in the UK. Clients now becoming much more aware of this hitherto well-kept Italian secret. In the last year, we've delivered 3 new 50s and have a 64RS and the first of the new Solaris 74RS currently in build, all for UK clients. Richard Baldwin and I drive the UK desk, and Berthon International also represents Solaris in Sweden and Finland, and on the east coast of the SA, where the team have just delivered and commissioned a new 40, 44 and 50. From the initial contact through to specifying and watching each yacht develop and build and handing them over to the new owners is an extremely rewarding aspect of the job. Our UK owners typically keep and use them in the Mediterranean. We actively encourage them to attend the Solaris Cup, held each year in the idyllic surroundings of Porto Rotondo in Sardinia. 2023 saw a good UK contingent, and this is set to increase this coming year. The 2024 Solaris Cup is set to be a big year, as it will also be an opportunity to celebrate the yard's 50th anniversary. Last but not least, I need to mention the Boot Düsseldorf, Europe's largest indoor boat show. Think XL times 10. A must for anyone considering a new yacht. Typically, we will exhibit 3 to 4 yachts from 40 to 60 feet. Both Richard and I will be in attendance, so do get in touch to arrange a viewing appointment. The dates are 20th to 28th of January. Now, for further information, feel free to pop on to our website, or if you'd like to discuss the range in a bit more detail, feel free to get in touch with myself or Richard. Thank you.